Good morning. It is Monday, day 7 of our trip, and last night we camped at Sleeping Giant Provincial Park, and this morning we are headed out to go mountain biking at Trowbridge Forest, which is towards Thunder Bay. So we're just heading out there now, and it looks like it's going to be a beautiful sunny day. It rained a little bit last night, so the trails will probably be a little bit wet and greasy, but that's fine. And that's about it for now. We'll see you on the trails. So we've arrived at Trowbridge Forest Mountain Bike Trails, and based on the sign and the map here, it looks like there's a really cool network of trails. They also have a pump track just over there as well. And one of the things I want to really point out is who sponsors these trails. So Black Sheep Mountain Bike Club is a local club that looks after it, and the city of Thunder Bay Parks and open space section. So we have the city sponsoring a mountain bike facility unlike what we have in North Bay. So we're just at the start of, I think it's called Conveyor Belt, and this is, I forget what the name of this river is. Anyways, that's Trowbridge Falls, I think, right there. So this trail is called the Conveyor Belt. It's a green trail. So pretty simple, not too technical, and it kind of gets you to the main network of trails a little further in. There's also a double track trail you can take if you don't want to do a little climbing and descending along the way. This is definitely more fun. Pretty nice. Trails are all signed well, in good shape. So this trail is called Upper 2K, and it's an intermediate blue trail. And it'll lead to the rest of the real cool stuff. So we're continuing on crossover and then hook up to Cassandra, which will get us to some more of the intermediate trails. This is super fun. Really nicely built trails. Nice and flowy. Ah, there's our turn. So this is called the Road to Hell. So let's see what it's all about. I think it's kind of like a long downhill and then a sharp little uphill again. I'm not sure. So we were just riding along, and all of a sudden I heard a twang at the back end. I thought maybe it was just a stick or something, but it turns out I broke a spoke. So I managed to get the other piece out of the way so we can finish the ride, but we're gonna have to go to Thunder Bay and see if I can get the spoke fixed while we go have some lunch and then continue.
Danger.
So this is called the Stranger. No idea what it's like. Rudy, a little rocky. Skinny. This is another section of crossover that we haven't been on yet. It's a blue trail, super fun. Look at this, that's cool. nice and rolly. The bridge is going to take the upper 2K trail. I'm going to take the Black Diamond lower 2K trail, and we'll meet up at the other end. Fun stuff. So other than a couple tricky rock features, the rest of the trail is pretty easy. So this is a pretty light Black Diamond, I would say. Either that or every trail we have at home is a Black Diamond. Still so fun. This is along one of the trails. I think it's called Hennessy Falls, but I may have that wrong. I'll correct it in the video if I've got that wrong, but it's a pretty cool spot. The main river and a little tributary just kind of tumbles into it. Really nice spot. So how did Trowbridge Forest stack up in the scoring? Signage was actually pretty good. The only thing that was really missing was just sort of a large scale sign throughout the trail network. So we gave that 2 out of 3. The facilities were actually really good. There was a washroom, a large parking lot. There was a bunch of jump lines that you could practice on, and a pump track, which was really awesome. Trail quality was top notch. Everything was in great shape. Trail variety was also really good. There was a little bit for everybody. Right from easy green trails, intermediate blues, and also some Black Diamond or black trails as well. Although the black trails didn't appear to be terribly challenging, but they're still more challenging than the intermediates. And then technical features, there was a few places, and there was some decent features. Could have been maybe a little bit more, but all in all, it was a really, really great trail network, a lot of fun, and really a great facility. So overall, we gave Trowbridge Forest an overall score of 12 out of 15. It's a video. Thanks to Petrie Cycle and Sports for fixing up our spokes and getting us on our way. Thumbs up. Thanks a lot, guys. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're packed up from sleeping.
It's 5 a.m.
No, it's not. We're packed up from Sleeping Giant Provincial Park, and we're going to head out. We got a long drive today, all the way to Timmins. We're going to go to Kettle Lakes Provincial Park and ride tomorrow. So we got a long road ahead. Anyways, it's been fun here.
It has been.
Time to make another move. Bye. It was a long drive today. We left Sleeping Giant Provincial Park at about 8:30, quarter to 9?
8:30.
8:30. And we arrived at Kettle Lakes Provincial Park at around 6:30. We made quite a few stops along the way, mind you.
Yes, we did.
But it's been a long day in the car. So we just stopped and we found some blueberries.
I picked some blueberries with Bradley Bills.
We'll have some for breakfast maybe. And we're all set up. It only took a few minutes to set up. So we're probably going to go for a little walk down to the lake, enjoy the sunshine for a little bit. And tomorrow get ready to ride Hersey Lake
Trails.